Hi guys, in the previous lecture we have built this part, we have inserted this post, and now in this lecture we are going to build this section. First of all, what you need to do, just create the container div and the section content box and then a row, and we have to put this heading. So we have already know how to create it, then this paragraph. So it is just simple. Here in the index, here is the closing tag of the section, and here we have to paste the code of this new section, and here is section content box, and we have also need this header and its row div. And now let's copy it and paste it here. Here we need to create a section, so that's why here is its opening tag of the section, and here I'm gonna write its closing tag of the section. And then after it, here I'm gonna remove this from here, and we have to put this header and the heading also in the div row. Here is closing tag of the divs, and then here is, so all the closing tags are completed, and here we have to give it box 2, and here is the div container and row div, and here is the header, and here I'm gonna give a different text. Here is welcome, and after it we have to give a paragraph, and this paragraph contain the text. And here is this, and now execute it. So here it is. So now the next thing is we have to put the image in the back, and then we have to give it the styles, then it will be okay. And here we have to remove this paragraph under the heading, remove it, and now here is the div, and here it is, and all the things are okay. Here it is. And now we have to add a little space at this. Here we have to add a new line, or you can also call it space, and here is br, and here it is. And now let's give the style to this box too. Then the text is a line, and then we have to give it the background image. First of all, give the background image. Here is the content box, and here is, we have to write box 2, and then here is the background image. Here is the URL, and here is this, and here is images / background 2.jpg, and here is the fixed 0 and 0. So now here it is, let's check it, and here is the image is not inserted because here is the fault. Here we have to write like this, and then it is inserted. And now we have to give it the style to this box 2. We have to give it the padding, because the image width is just same as the width of the box 2 and as the width of this div here, box 2. And now here is the padding. On the top and the bottom side 14 pixel, left right 0 pixel, so a distance is added on the top and the bottom side. Here you can see that. And then here is the text is aligned to the center. Here is the center. Here is it is in the center. And now the next thing is minimum height. Here I'm going to give the minimum height to this div. Here it is, the minimum height is 380 pixels, so it will be apply. And the next thing is the color to this paragraph, and here is #FFF, and here is important. And now let's execute it. So here it is not applying. Here is the color is this. So now the color is not applying by using this method. We will apply the color by separately. We have to copy this and then we have to reference the paragraph. Here is this, and here it is paragraph, and here is the color is #FFF, and then here it is, the color is applying on it. Here you can see that. And now the next thing is this thing. We will build this heading and then this post. Here the image is on the left side and this post is on the right side, and then we will build this.